In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free e-commerce website with WordPress. Online Store 2026. We'll build a clean online store using WordPress.com and its AI site builder, so you can go from idea to a launched site fast without coding. Start by heading to wordpress.com/sites to open your site's dashboard. Click the highlighted button to create a new site. When you see the option that says, Describe your idea and let AI help you refine your site, select it. In the prompt, type a clear description of your store, what you sell, your audience, and the vibe you want. Short, specific sentences work best. As the assistant asks follow-up questions, continue by clicking the highlighted Continue buttons and add any extra details it requests, like style preferences or key pages you care about. When you're ready, choose Create My Site. You'll be asked to select a category. For this walkthrough, pick ebooks to generate store-ready sections tailored to digital products. If your niche is different, choose the category that fits you, then click Create My Site again to confirm. You'll land in the site editor. Start with Customize colors to set a simple palette that matches your brand. Aim for strong contrast so text stays legible. Next, choose Change Page Layout to try a layout that puts products and calls to action up front. Then select Choose New Fonts and pick a readable pairing, one for headings, one for body text, so your store feels cohesive. Use Add New Page to include essentials like a shop, about, and contact page. If you're not sure yet, you can add pages now and fill them in later. Open the inserter by clicking the plus icon. Then explore patterns to drop in pre-designed sections like hero banners, product grids, and testimonials. Switch to media to add your logo and images, and to blocks to insert individual elements such as buttons, headings, and galleries. Click the highlighted options to place what you need, then click the next highlight to adjust text, links, and images until each section matches your brand. Click Save to commit your changes. Save often as you iterate. When everything looks good, click Launch to publish your site. Your store is now live on a free WordPress.com address, and you can keep customizing anytime. As you grow, you can connect a custom domain and enable checkout tools. But for now, you've built a functional foundation with zero cost.